haven't slept in days. Every time I get close, something pops me back into attention. Gotta protect my land. Can't let sleep get me dead. Who would save her then? We were creatures of routine, and she was a woman of virtue. And we were happy. But just like the rest of the world, you were up and stolen from me. It's been 7 years since the internet went down. 11 since the fires and floods. The laws of nature just went out of harmony with each other. Most folks just up and disappeared. Those that stayed, we do our best to maintain some semblance of society. Me, I patrol. Sean, he works his chili farm. We don't talk much, but he sees me, and I see him. You don't want to be out after sundown. It's not safe. Most who's left have lost their grip on reality and turned into something else. Something I don't recognize. Something lawless. Like a pack of wild animals, raping and murdering as they please. It's up to me to uphold some shred of law and order. Sometimes I feel like I'm the only one left in this world with a sane mind. If I lose that, who will keep these mountains safe? Who will find her? I remember the moment she told me she'd really like to meet one someday. It brought me a sense of terror that I might lose the love we shared. I remember the last days I saw her before the feral ones took her from me. The scene of her looking into my eyes plays over and over every time I sit down for my morning coffee. The music in my life walked out the door that day. It was all I could do to hold fast to my routines. It's in his eyes, like he could see the truth of my soul without needing words. You can never be too careful. I could see in his eyes the truth of it. I'd become that which I most despised. Feral. An animal. A killer.